Hi students, now we are going to see the problem on norm. Okay, so already we discussed one problem. So another type of problem which we are going to see in norm. Okay, so now it is given that it is in C of 0 comma 1. So it is in the interval 0 comma 1. That may be complex or anything else. But we have to find the given the thing is f of t equal to t and g of t equal to e power t. So we have to find norm f, norm g, norm f plus g. Okay. So now before that we have the given thing that it is given that integral 0 to 1 f of t the whole square into dt, that is f comma f. Okay. So according to that only we have to go for further for this one. Okay. So now we are going to calculate f, it is given f of, now we are going to find norm f equal to f comma f. Okay. So that is f of t is already given that is f of t equal to t. According to that we have to go. So f comma f is integral 0 to 1 f of t the whole square into dt, right. So here f of t is 0 to 1, f of t is t. So t square into dt. So that can be written as, if you integrate this one we will get t3, sorry, norm f square equal to norm f square, or otherwise norm f equal to root of something. So you have to go for this one, norm f square equal to f comma f. After that we can find norm. Okay. So t cube by 3, we have to substitute the limit point for this one and we will get 1 by 3 minus 0 equal to 1 by 3. So this is one part, right. So therefore norm f square equal to 1 by 3 implies norm f equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Then you have to find norm g. Norm g you have to find, that is nothing but norm g square. We have the formula that norm g comma g. So g of t is given that e power t. So it is given, so f of t is given, so we are writing f of t comma f of t. So g of t is given, so we have to norm g square can be written as inner product of g comma g, right, norm g square. After that we can take out root. Okay. Then we will get the remaining terms for that. So now we are going to find for norm g comma g. So if it is f of f comma f can be written as 0 norm integral 0 to 1 f of t the whole square into dt. So if g comma g, norm of g comma g can be written as integral 0 to 1 g of t the whole square into dt. Okay. So that is nothing but integral 0 to 1 g of t is e power t the whole square into dt. So that is nothing but integral 0 to 1 e power 2t by 2t into dt. So e power t square can be written as e power 2t, right. So that can be integrated. So e power 2t by 2. So limit point is from 0 to 1. So that is nothing but e power 2 minus e power 0 by 2. So if we substitute the limit point, 2 into 1 is 2, right. Next, if you substitute, denominator is common, so I am keeping it as common and you are doing for this one. So e power 2, e power 0, e power, what is the value of e power 0? E power 0 value is 1. So you will be getting e power 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So that is norm g square value, right, norm g square. So we need, they ask us to find norm g only. So if it is norm g, that means you have to take root for this one, e power 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one, norm f plus g, right. So we have f, we have g. So according to that we have to write norm f g square, we have the formula for that one. Then we can find norm f plus g by taking root of that one, like the above things. Okay. So now we have the formula that, sorry, it can be written as norm f g, sorry, inner product f plus g, inner product f plus comma f plus g. Okay. So this can be written as like this one, like f comma f, this one given this one, we will be writing f of t plus g of t the whole square into dt. So what is f of t? F of t is t g of t is e power t the whole square into dt. So, that is nothing but if we have to square it, we have to square this one, and t square plus e power t square e power 2t, that can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, plus 2ab means 2 into t into e power t. Okay. Then if we integrate that one, what will we get? T power 3 by 3 plus e power 2t by 2 plus 2 into this, you have to use Bernoulli's formula, right. So, Bernoulli's formula, if you use u equal to t, v equal to e power t, right. So, u dash equal to 1, u double dash equal to 0, right. v1 equal to e power t, v2 equal to e power t. If we integrate this one, we will get this one. So, what is the formula? U v1 minus u dash v2 plus etc. U double dash, it becomes 0. So, we do not need to take that. So, this one is enough. 2 into u into v1, u into v1 means t into e power t minus u dash. What is u dash? U dash is 1 into e power t, right, 1 into e power t. So, limit point we have, what is that one? 0 to 1, we have to apply 0 and 1 in this limit point, right. So, if we apply this one, what will we get? So, if we apply 0, this one gets 0, right. So, 1 by 3 minus 0, next one plus e power 2 minus e power 0 by 2 plus 2 into 1 into e power 1 minus e power 0, e power 1 minus 0 into anything 0 minus e power 0. So, this is the thing which we are going to get. So, that is 1 by 3 plus e power 2 by 2 minus e power 0 value is 1 by 2 plus 2 into e power 1 minus e power 1 gets cancelled. So, this becomes 0. So, 0 minus half minus 1. So, totally you will be getting 1 by 3 plus e power 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So, if you calculate this one, you will be getting divided by 6. If we divide by 6, what will I get is 2 plus this one 3 e power 2 minus 3 plus 12. So, totally you will be getting 2 plus 12 14 minus 3 is 11 minus 11 plus 3e2 by 6, this is your answer. So, at last we will get it as norm f plus. So, now 11 plus 3 e power 2 by 6, that is norm f plus g the whole square. So, now what we have to get is norm f plus g. So, if we take root for this one, that is your answer. Okay. So, next problem, given a equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus I, 3 minus I, b equal to 1 plus I, 0, 1 I minus I. So, we have to it is defined by a comma b equal to trace of b star a, right. So, for that we need you have to find a, norm b and determinant a b, right. So, according to that we have to go. So, what is given? A equal to 1, 2 plus I, 3 I, right. So, b is given as 1 plus I, 0 I minus I. So, what will be a star? So, you have to find a star for this one, that is like transparent. So, what we will get is 1 3 2 minus I minus I. So, 1 2 minus I minus I, right. So, we have to interchange this 2 and we have to interchange the minus in this one. So, you have to interchange this one also and you have to interchange minus terms in this one also. So, next one 1 plus I. So, you have to interchange the plus and minus for this one and you have to interchange the whole thing for this one. So, if you interchange the minus symbol, what will you get? 1 minus I, this one I. So, you have to change the minus part. So, imaginary part sign means negative sign. Okay, you have to change that one and you have to change this 2 and with along with its minus symbol, right. So, it is 0. So, you have to interchange this one 0 here and you have to interchange minus I here. So, next you have to find norm A. Okay, norm A is nothing but root of inner product A comma A. So, we already have this one like that, but at last only we have taken. So, here we can take totally and we can find that one. Okay. So, now what we norm A comma A, what is given defined, what is defined? A comma B equal to trace of B star A, right. So, that is that is nothing but here trace of A star A. Okay. So, what is trace of A star A? So, that is nothing but what is trace? Trace is nothing but your diagonal elements. Okay. You have to plus that elements and you have to do the problem. Okay. Now, what is A star? So, here it is trace of A comma B equal to trace of B star A, right. For that, like that only we have to do for this one. So, what will you get? Trace of A star A. So, A star is this one 1 3 2 minus I minus I. What is A? A is 1 2 plus I 3 I. Okay. So, you have to calculate and you have to find that one and then you have to find trace for this one. So, 1 into 1 1 plus 3 9 10. So, totally you will get 10. So, 1 into this one is 2 plus I plus 3I. So, 2 plus I plus 3I is what will you get? 2 plus 4I, right. So, 2 plus 4I we will get, then 2 plus 2 minus I into 1, that is 2 minus I minus 3I, 2 minus I into 1 minus 3I. So, totally 2 minus 5I, right. Sorry. So, we will get it as 2 minus I. No, pass panna. Sorry, it is not 2I minus 4I minus 4I, sorry. So, 2 minus 4I, then 2 minus I into 2 plus I is totally 4. So, at last we will get 6, right. This one we will get it as 6. So, you have to calculate only trace for this one. So, you do not need to consider this one, you have to calculate only trace for this one, that is trace of this one is 10 plus 6. We have already root. So, that is root 16 equal to 4. Likewise, you have to find for trace B. So, that is nothing but root of B comma B is nothing but root of trace B star comma B, B star into B. So, that is nothing but root of trace, what is B star? B star is given 1 minus I minus I 0 I. So, likewise we have this one is 1 plus I 0 I minus I. So, you have to calculate this one and you have to find this one. So, trace of this one, what will you get? 1 plus I into 1 minus I is 1 plus I into 1 minus I is what will you get? So, at last we will get 3 and then minus 1 minus 1 1. So, if we multiply this and we will get at last answer as this one. So, we have to calculate the trace of this one. So, that is nothing but root of 3 plus 1 equal to root 4 equal to 2. Next one you have to find the last one A comma B. So, it is already given that is nothing but trace of B star comma A. So, that is nothing but trace of B star is 1 minus I 0 I, okay, into A. A is 1 2 plus I 3 I. So, therefore, what will we get is trace of what will we get 1 minus 4 I 1 minus 4 I, and then we will get 4 minus I 3 I minus 1. So, what is trace of this one? 1 minus 4 I minus 1. So, if we cancel that, we will get minus 4 I, that is your answer. That is our answer for this one. Okay.